in this question, we need to make C the subject of the formula. So let's first understand this formula. This is the area rule for triangles using sine. We plan to isolate C. So we plan to isolate this guy at the end to be by himself. And then let's plan to isolate C. Obviously, we need to remove this fraction, which is a half. Obviously, we're going to remove that by multiplying by 2 both sides. So I'm going to multiply this by 2 and that by 2 so that this and that can cancel. See, this is on the denominator and that is the numerator, so they cancel each other. So I have 2a is equals to ab sine c. All right, so we're still looking for that c. So a and b must go. A and b must go, so I'm going to divide by ab both sides, divided by ab, and this will cancel that. And then on the left we have 2a is over ab is equal to sine c. Now that sine c is isolated, we use inverse sine to solve for c. So we introduce inverse of sine this side, we introduce inverse of sine that side, and then these two cancels each other out. So we're going to left with sine inverse 2a over ab is equals to c. And this marks the end of our video because c is now isolated. Don't forget to subscribe, share with classmates, schoolmates, family and friends, or any member that you think can benefit from this maths videos. Thank you very much. Tango.